What is the key elements of public speaking?
How do we become confident and remove our nervousness?
Tell me some characteristics about public speakers by which they can attract people.
How did you prepare your speech before delivering in the front of the public? How public speaking affect people and what are the major impacts of good public speaking? How does this public speaking helps people to accelerate in their job? Does it very much impact their job career also? How does this public speaking help student to grow more in their school life?
Half the world is composed of people who have something to say and can't, and other half has nothing to say and keep on saying it. Good morning all of you, my name is Kalpana and my topic is power of public speaking. Public speaking is a vital skill that can help people connect with others. The good public speaker has to be able to present the information, keep the audience interested in the delivered ideas, and defend the point of view in the case of criticism or counter-argumentation. The skill of public speaking provides one with courage, confidence, and the ability to fluently express themselves. If you want to be a good public speaker, you have some qualities like courage, confidence, voice modulation, connect with your audience, and paint your speech with storytelling. If you are representing yourself so timid and nervous during representation, so it leaves a very bad impact on your audience. Most of us never have to think about speaking in public. But whether it is a tongue-in-cheek, best-human speech, or to address a corporate event, the whole point of public speaking is to engage with your audience. If you want to leave a long-lasting impact on your audience, you can use some stories to connect and don't forget the purpose of your speech. In public speaking, you can share your thoughts with your audience, try to connect with them. By public speaking, you are able to communicate well in all parts of life, not just only in front of crowd. In this professional world, public speaking is super valuable. The ability to fluently express ourselves in front of others is a crucial skill. No matter which career path you choose in your future, but you are very likely to encounter public speaking at some points of your career. On securing a job, there will be many circumstances where good public speaking skill can help you to advance your career. To being a good public speaker can not only enhance your reputation, but can secure you a great promotions and opens up numerous opportunities for you. By public speaking, you can improve your communication skill and overall fluency. By these, your body adopts a different situation and you can use your voice effectively. Mr. Martin Luther King is a famous civil rights activist whose wise words inspired this generation. And he is very well known for his public speaking speech, I Have a Dream. So at last, I want to conclude my speech. So don't follow the crowd, let the crowd follow you. That's all, thank you.
So it was wonderful try by Kalpana Goswami. I have some set of questions which I want to ask to the speaker. Are you ready for that, Kalpana?
Yes.
Okay, the first question is, how does this public speaking helps people to accelerate in their job?
Public speaking helps in job also. Like they are very able to give their opinion to their heads. It leaves a very good impact on their working also.
Does it very much impact their job career also? Like the person who is good at a job, they will be definitely accelerating. Those who are bad at that, will they be suffering also?
Yes, of course they are suffering because they are not able to say their opinion to their heads, and they become suffered by their income also.
Exactly. One more thing, we just talked about the corporate sector, but talking about you, that you are in the 11th class, so how does this public speaking help student to grow more in their school life? How does it help students basically, public speaking?
Many students like me, I am very interested in public speaking.
Okay.
Like if teachers come in the class, they just stand me to if there was any
Frame certain questions and ask some observation as well,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, wonderful. The next question is, the student and the people who are there in the market who are bad at public speaking, do you want to give them some tips to practice in their life as well?
make sure they have to be confident about the topic they have,
Okay.
and also being prepared
Let's talk about your speech. Like you prepared this speech and you prepared for this competition. So what are the major preparation you did before presenting the speech to the class?
First, I just make the key points.
Okay, key
After
points
that,
first.
just being confident about my speech that I
Okay.
know everything about that.
So you just made it before, like you just made fake it before you made it, right?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Yes.
What is the key elements of public speaking?
Key elements are use some stories to engage with your audience and being confident. Voice modulation is also matter in public speaking.
How did you prepare your speech before delivering in the front of the public?
As I said earlier, that I just make key points, and I know very well about public speaking earlier also, so that's why it's very easy for me to deliver in a speech.
How do we become confident and remove our nervousness?
First of all, you have to bring some logical sentence by which public being very interested within your sentences. And about nervousness, it is on you. It is depends on you if you are presenting your speech with confidence. So I don't think that there is nervousness type of thing.
Tell me some characteristic about public speaker by which they can attract people.
They just use stories, event their topics.
How public speaking affect people and what are the major impacts of good public speaker?
By public speaking, you can be more confident in your life to securing a great promotions. And if you want to be a successful person, you have to be able in public speaking.